I suffered and I just struggled through it. I just pushed it. I didn't even care because I had all these things to do. And then I had Candida overgrowth, and I had leaky gut syndrome, and I had eczema all over my face. And I thought the answer was everywhere out there. And I want you to listen closely. I thought it was everywhere out there. If I could leave you with anything, I would tell you this, that the answer is inside of you. And it's really just about healing your childhood trauma, your stress, all of that trauma, those stressful experiences, the way you grew up. I know it wasn't easy, and it's really about healing the way you grew up. It was too harsh for you, it was too harsh for your body, and now you're trying to fix it with food and it's still not working. You're trying to fix it with these therapies, but they're not working. You're trying to find all of these solutions, and they help, but you gotta really heal who you are inside. And I want to share with you more about that they don't tell you. They don't tell you at the doctor's office. They don't tell you in healthcare. You know, we're behind. I made something for you to see so that you could understand more of the truth of, you know, why you're struggling the way you're struggling. It doesn't have to be like that. You can be free to eat, you know, those spicy foods that you love, you know, that pizza that you love. You can go to the bathroom without worrying that, you know, maybe this is how you're going to be for the rest of your life. You can stop worrying about your health. There is a way out, and that's inside of you.